Do you have a big dream in your heart? A goal that feels far away and almost too big? Here is something powerful to know. Every great thing in the world started as just a thought in someone's mind. Before a house is built, it is first a picture in the mind. Today, I want to share with you one of the most famous success books ever written. It has helped millions of people turn their dreams into real life. The book is called Think and Grow Rich. Welcome to the English Flow Podcast. My name is Lucas. Please subscribe to the English Flow Podcast right now so you can learn easy English every day. Now, let us open this powerful book together and learn how to grow our dreams. First, let us understand the big idea of the book. The writer Napoleon Hill spent many years studying very successful people. He wanted to find their secret, and he found that they all had one thing in common. They used the power of their own minds. The book teaches us that our thoughts shape our life. If you fill your mind with strong, positive thoughts about your goal, you start to move toward it. Your thoughts today become your life tomorrow. This is the heart of the whole book. The first key idea is desire. Not a small wish, but a strong, earning desire. The book says you must want your goals so much that you can almost feel it. A weak wish brings weak results, but a strong desire gives you power and energy. It keeps you going when things get hard. So ask yourself, what do I truly, deeply want? When you find a goal that lights a fire in your heart, you have taken the first big step towards success. The second key idea is to have a clear goal. Many people say, I want to be happy, or I want more money. But these wishes are too soft and unclear. The book says you must make your goal clear and exact. Do not say, I want to learn English. Say, I will speak English well in 1 year. A clear goal is like a clear address. If you do not know exactly where you are going, you can never get there. So write your goal in clear, simple words. The third key idea is so simple, but so powerful. Write your goal down. Take a paper and write your goal in clear words. Then read it every morning and every night out loud. When you read your goal again and again, it goes deep into your mind. Your mind starts to believe it. And when you believe it, you act on it. This small habit of writing and reading your goal is one of the strongest tools in the whole book. The fourth key idea is faith, which means belief. You must believe that you can reach your goal. Many people stop before they start because they say, I can't. But the book says belief is like a seed. When you truly believe, your mind finds ways to win. When you doubt, your mind finds reasons to quit. So feed your mind with belief. Say to yourself, I can do this. Even if it feels strange at first, keep saying it. Your belief will grow stronger every day. The fifth key idea is to make a plan and take action. A dream without action is just a wish. The book says you must make a clear plan and then start moving. Your first plan does not need to be perfect. You can fix it as you go. The important thing is to begin. Take one small step today, then another tomorrow. Action turns your thoughts into real things. Without action, even the best dream stays only a dream. The sixth key idea is persistence. This is an important English word. It means you keep going and you never give up. The road to any big goal has hard days. You will face problems. You will feel tired. You may want to quit. But the book says the people who win are simply the people who do not stop. They fall down and they stand up again. So when things get hard, be patient and keep going. Persistence beats failure every time. The seventh key idea is the power of good people around you. The book talks about something called a mastermind, which is a group of helpful people who support each other. When you spend time with positive, smart, and kind people, you grow faster. Their energy lifts you up. Their ideas help you. So choose your friends well. Stay close to people who believe in your dream and push you forward, not people who pull you down. Let us also remember this. Your mind hears everything you say. If you keep saying, I am weak, I can't, it's too hard, your mind believes it. But if you say, I am strong, I can learn, I will succeed, your mind believes that too. The book teaches us to be careful with our own words. Speak to yourself with hope and strength. Your inner voice is shaping your future, one thought at a time. Now, let me show you my favorite secret. You can use all of these ideas to learn English. Make English your strong desire, something you truly want. Set a clear goal. I will speak English well. Write it on a paper and read it every day. Believe that you can, even on hard days. Make a simple plan, like listening to one podcast a day, and take action now. And never give up, even when you feel slow. With desire, a clear goal, and persistence, your English dream will surely come true. We have learned so many powerful ideas from Think and Grow Rich today. We learned that success begins in the mind, and our thoughts shape our life. We learned about the power of a burning desire and a clear goal. We learned to write our goal down and read it every day. We learned about faith, action, and persistence. and we learned that good people around us help us grow. What will we talk about next time? Next time, we will explore the famous book Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy and learn how to stop waiting and finally do your most important work, all in easy English. You do not want to miss it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Follow us on all our social media pages for more daily English practice. Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast. Keep dreaming, keep working, and keep speaking English.